Hey everybody, Yvonne Decelis coming to you one more time today. This is another fitness video. I did try to put one up about the lymphatic flush, and I'll publish that one probably tomorrow. But I wanted to put this one up. This is my crazy stretch routine. I don't know if this is going to be a short. It might be longer than a short. And as I've said before, I am not doing this to show off. I'm doing this to show you what is possible if you work at it. It's taken me years to reach this point, but I just want to show you guys the exercises so you can see the routine, the full set. So I'm probably going to be silent for most of it, but I just thought I would show you. Hope you can see a lot of what I'm doing here. I'm just going to move the mat away from the camera. Hope you can see. Stretch. This is really good for the lower back, but it's also good, as you can see, for flexibility. I have to move my belt back a little bit away. Okay. Feet. Right behind me. And hold this for about 20 seconds. Bring my legs back up. Down a little bit. And then we do another full leg stretch. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go to the other side. I realize I'm mumbling in the captions for you guys. Seems wonderful. For the lower back. One last thing I did not do. This one's good for abs and obliques. Two more that I'm going to do for my back. And the last one, the yoga move for the lower back. Then I roll back up into position. Okay. I'll proofread this later on, and like I said, I will close caption this because I realized I was mumbling. It's kind of hard to speak audibly when doing this stuff, but I will put this up later. Cheers, you guys. Thanks.